Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Penetraries on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Penetraries on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. See, the mark is a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might.
Thank you. Yes, what's up? I'm back. I said, what's up, party people? I said, Corey, what is up? Tori Trades, husband. Peter, what's up? Trading Star, thank you so much. Trading on Tilt. Thanks, guys. What's up, what's up? I said, as soon as the market opens, let's just full port gold, right? Full port gold long. Let me grab my water, hold on. Let's do it. How did everyone do today? Yo, 44 the Punisher, what is up? Full port to reset the account, that's right. Well, Peter, I did too. I had a great morning. I had a great morning. And then after 3 o'clock for me, power hour basically. The trade day affiliate cup took a hit. But all my accounts that matter, the ones that actually pay me the bills, are fine. So I was smart enough to lock out those. So there is that. Oh, I want to try something. Let me try something real quick. Synthwave. Alright, never mind. It's doing alright, Trading Star. Yeah, it's doing good. I haven't been trading futures on it at all. Just options occasionally. Trading options, yeah. Not trading any futures on it. Just only futures I'm trading is with props. You will lose your money, Trusty? Yeah, well, I've done that before. Who did the intro? AI. What's up, Tony Gold in the house? What's up? Yeah, AI. So I wrote the lyrics. Like I wrote out some lyrics, and then I had AI like fix the lyrics, and then I took the lyrics from the AI and then I moved it into another AI, and then did that. So yeah, I made the song. So yeah, I got two of those songs. Did I just get a market close from? Yeah, probably. Thank you, Tory Trades. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. All right, so what are we looking at? So market took a big dip today, but if you look at the daily chart, I mean, we're still right in the middle of the giant Trump candle, right? So we got the Trump tweet candle, and we're just stuck in the middle. We took out today's low on the daily and came right back in. We've been doing that over and over and over again, so it's just been on repeat, which is kind of crazy. So range traders are doing very well. Breakout traders, things like that, doing very poorly. But that's okay. We can just catch little moves in the market. That's all we can do. Baron short candle rally, really? Yeah, yes. Oh yeah, for sure, Peter. Yeah. Was it? It probably was Futch. Gold is bound to come back down at some point. Yeah, for sure. Guys, if you do me a favor, smash that like button as soon as you come in. I really appreciate it. Let's get it going tonight. We'll sling around some contracts. So what do you guys think? So, I'll tell you my story. So, the Trade Day Cup. The Trade Day Cup, I'll pull it up. Here's the Trade Day Cup. So, obviously tied for first place or whatever, top. Got my new account today. Started today, I was up 500 bucks. It took all morning. I had to redo the Rise account, RiseWorks, and then do the, you know, fill out the course thing and trade day and get it all set up to get my funded account, because I had to do it under a new email in order to do the competition. So I had to set up a new trade day account email. But anyways, so I started the day up 500 bucks. I went to the gym, went to lunch, came back, saw the market dumping off like 200 points. Got in the FOMO. Figured I'm going to like really get this account up. Nope. I have $100 left in drawdown. It is cooked. It is not blown, but I have $100 left in drawdown. Now, I have basically... I have like 13 days to trade this competition. I can either A, restart it, or B, just sit on my hands and then just see if anyone actually can pass the account and actually make money in the funded account. Top 3 people win money anyway, so that's my dilemma. Because a lot of the people might not even pass the account. So that's kind of what I'm wondering, you know. Hey, Autumn 9, what is up? Any tips for payout slumps? Well, I can't give you financial advice, but sometimes it's better to... I was actually thinking, like, you know, just taking a break, right? Yeah, I got $100 left to draw down, so one micro maybe. Yeah, Coach Fred, I know, and I was so upset with myself. What's up, Design? Yeah, Corey, sometimes, yeah, just take a break. Maybe, like, take a few days. Reset your mind. That does help. It helps me. Bust some lines and get to it. My mom didn't raise no quitter. No. I know. It's just like playing the tournament game, right? But yeah, Coach Fred, so yeah, that's kind of my dilemma. I'm just like, well, like, I don't think half these people could pass, you know? And time's running out. I think Nutty gave up. So he's out. I don't know. Kellyanne's doing well. She did have a red day today, she said. All right, market's open, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Yo, it's Mo, bro. What's up? Amid, thank you so much. Yeah, My Funded Futures, guys, has a great promo going on right now. Wow, market ripping. Market's ripping. So I'm kind of looking for a breakdown. You got this trend here, trend line going on. Giant bear flag, basically. Be nice if we get a nice breakdown below 80s. I might actually take a stab. But for now, we'll just watch it. What's gold up to? Gold is absolutely nuts. But yeah, so I don't know whether or not to just play the strategy, the tournament strategy game, but that was my intentions when I made 500 this morning. I'm like, wow, that's a nice day, 500 bucks. I said, you know, the ball is in my court. Like, literally, that's what I said to myself. The ball is in my court. And then I go ahead and do the FOMO, you know, shit, basically, in the afternoon with that trade day account. The affiliate cup stuff, and I was like, ah. Is anyone doing the Tradeify affiliate, the Tradeify cup? You are Futch, nice. Gold will be at 800 by Christmas. I know. Your son is doing it too? That's awesome. Do I trade for a living? Yeah. Trade for a living, YouTube. Have this is all I do. Trade, talk to you guys, get affiliate money. That's all I do. Professional eater. I don't get paid for that though. $600 in the first minute. Let's go. Going on a Team Rocket Scooter. Nice. Yeah, I wish I could be an ambassador. I don't even know half those people that are ambassadors, but it's all good. They didn't ask me, so. Thank you, Futch. You're doing the Tradeify 2 JD54? Let's go. That's awesome. Wow, we're getting pushed up here. Nice little bounce. What's up, Wiz No Fear? Blow off the top on gold. Wow, jeez. $4,363.20 gold. So here's the account for the affiliate cup. She is cooked. Cooked. $114 in drawdown. I'll show you my stats. This was completely erratic trading. Just absolutely garbage. Clicking buttons. Did you guys have platform issues today? With Tradeivate? Because I did. I'm not using that as an excuse. I'm just saying I did have platform issues. Look at this. Woo! 22% winning trades. I was up $645 at one point. And it all went downhill from here after lunchtime. Look at that. If I only faded myself. But to my credit, I made $10,200 to pass that trade day account. And then I cook it on day one for the affiliate cup. We're all lagging, yeah. $10,000 trades? Yeah, no, probably close. little luck on a gold short, maybe. Yeah. I actually thought about it. Hey, what's up, McDaddy84? What's up? Nice bounce off the V-walk. Can we get some continuation? I'm gonna short gold off that initial push. Rejected pretty hard. Just with the micros. And 3 micros. It looked like it was trying to reject off that VWAP, but you made 490 trades. Wow, that's a lot, Fred. Man, that is a lot. Let me see how many I made when I was tilting. This afternoon I made 69 trades. 53 losing trades, 16 winning trades. Nasty. Trying to fade gold here. Bad idea. Whew. Bad idea on trying to fade gold. On that Buellanox eval. Aaron, you guys made more trades today? Yeah, that was just like some tilt this afternoon. Coop, what is up? Tilt's kind of... Wow, she is ripping. All-time highs again. 43,068. What's NASDAQ doing? Wow. Down 672. Storage, you should look at Stock Poet. What is that? Man. Rejecting here, 43.75. I'm trying another short. Down to the VWAP. Well, whew, gold's moving like NASDAQ. Crazy. How much money have I made today? Right around five. Let's see. I'll pull it up. $5,000 maybe on the fundeds. I can pull it up. $1,900 on this one. $1,700 on this one. $700 on this one. $1,300 loss on that one. And then the Lucids. I believe I made $2,000 on the Lucid funded. And then $800 loss on the other one. So I don't know. I did pretty good today. All right, let's cliff it. Oh, come on, just take my TP there. Bounced right off that VWAP after the little cliff. But I just missed up my TP by a tick. You can see it. Like literally just missed it by a tick. But I'm gonna hold it. Maybe I'll actually look for a little more. That's a pretty good rejection. Spot right back up. I'm on tilt, Theo. I'm on revenge mode. The quick scalp shorts, I know. It just missed me by literally like a tick. Adventures, that's right. Yeah, this is gold. This is currently gold. Mark, what's up? Hey, Trading Star. Have a good night. NASDAQ looking like it wants to roll over here. Gold, not cooperating. Gold's your favorite? It's been crazy lately, right? Crazy volatile. Should have bought that dip. Hey, Angie. I've been trading since 2021. Futures trading. Thanks for joining. Oh, come on. It's going for that high again, 375. Buy the gold dip, I know. Should have. Just played the gold dip and done for the day late. Let's go. You smacked it all the way from Delaware. Let's go. Thanks, Mark. Oof. Well, there goes that account. It's alright, I got more. So that was a $15.75 eval. Alright, I'll shake that off. Let's just settle in here. So yeah, so that account's gone, but yeah, that cost me $15.75, so that's okay. I currently have no master accounts from Buell Knox, so I want to try to get some pass. This one has a little bit of drawdown left, but not too bad. Gold. Gold's looking for that 4,500. I know. It really is. This is funny. Let's go. I got 415 in drawdown left. I didn't show it, but I just made $300 on that quick gold short scalp. So in this trade day account, this affiliate cup, 415 in drawdown now. Now we're cooking with something. See if I can bring it back from a $100 drawdown and win this tournament. Wouldn't that be something? That'd be awesome, right? It's not currently $15. No, that was a 91% off one. Yeah. Fuel Nox right now is, let's see. It's still 83. Yeah, still 83% off. Maybe we'll get 90% off though. 91% off. Only if I could pull that off. So I have brought an account back from $100, and Terry Trades, my trading buddy, has talked about she had $100 left in a drawdown in a My Funded Futures account and brought it back and took that account to a live account. Not gonna lie. So yeah, pretty cool. It took her like over a month, but she did it. Quick scalp on gold. There's a dip to buy right off the VWAP. Try to buy the dip. I'm gonna wait for an inside bar and then send it. I'm actually gonna switch to micros. To be honest with you, I'm still feeling tilty from that trade day thing. I'm feeling like just sending it. I thought about just like like looking for a short setup on gold. This is what really just caught me. So we went on that short down here. We swept that Harami, and then it literally just swept it on the micro gold and just pushed right back up. And that's what got me. I was looking for that reversal. 496 million times 10 Bitcoin to crash. That's crazy. Yeah, the promo. So yeah, with JD54. So I still like, to be honest with you, like I got nothing against Top Step, but I think the My Funded Futures is cheaper and it's easier to get to a payout. So, like, it's 5 days of $100 or more. But yeah, they do. Top Step does have a promo going on right now. Bro, you don't get hot air in that room, Mark? So I have a mini PC. It's about this big. It doesn't put out any heat. Zero. Yep, it's a mini PC. I run my stream, all my trading stuff, everything off it. Works great. It's literally this. You can fit it in a fanny pack. Yeah, you definitely need heat up in the north for sure. You got a tower that can drive up a lake. I do too. I have a gaming PC as well, but This one is just a little mini PC. Works great. 32 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a Ryzen 7 in it. Works great for doing this. $19 billion liquidation in a single day. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you, Lambo. Appreciate that, buddy. Trong Hung, thank you so much. Yeah, you want to run 3 screens? Yeah, I got 3 screens going too. Yep. Runs great. It's the Meow Meow song. Got an inside bar on gold here. I might take it. Get below 68. I might try it. I hate shorting into the VWAP though, especially being so bullish. But gold's gonna come down at some point, right? Can we be the people to catch the top? I doubt it. If you look at the daily candle on gold, it is absolutely bonkers. Well, that's the weekly. Let's check out the daily. I mean, look at this daily. It doesn't even, it's not even up and to the right. It's straight up. I mean, it's a 1,000-point move from this point to this point. A $1,000 move. I mean, just absolutely insane. It's kind of concerning economically, yeah, for sure. What software am I running? Streamlabs. It can't be good. I know, I agree with you. I don't know. It's just, I mean, this is unicorn stuff, right? Pump it, Corey. You're long. Good luck. We need a Trump tweet to. Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, that's the thing. Is like, what's the catalyst that's gonna move NASDAQ as well? Because we got NASDAQ stuck in the middle of that Trump tweet right here. So here's the daily candle on that, and we're just stuck right in the middle of this range. This giant candle. So not too often do you see that either, right? So yeah, it's crazy. The range traders, people that are playing the extremes, are getting paid. Definitely getting paid. There goes gold. Well, I'm going to take the inside bar long, but it didn't quite break, did it? In 4 micros. Didn't quite break, but should break. Come on, gold. Push up there. What's up, Tyler? Gold sales have been swallowed by buyers. I know. Cajun props are they're loving or hating it for sure. I think most props are loving it because I did see on the Tradeify tournament that you're not allowed to trade gold, which is kind of bizarre. I'm surprised there isn't an uproar in that. So this inside bar actually did not break to the upside, and now I'm caught in it. I got a little jumpy on it. Yeah, no, you can't. So, as far as I know, right now, Tyler, you can't. Just in the competition, yeah. Tradeify also has Bitcoin banned, which is kind of weird. Yo, Few Yang, what is up? Those balls up 300 points right now. It's kind of crazy. I mean, it's up $1,000 since it's a little swing low there. Swing down here. It's up over $1,000. Not there, but if you go back on the daily, it's absolutely insane. Stopped out on that. This is actually a short trigger. Hey, I'm flipping. I'm flipping the switch here. This is a short trigger. That was quick. So that's... Let me show you guys that I'm not trading well. Look, I meant to take... I was trying to take the inside bar long here. It actually never even broke. It came back down, and so I ended up taking the inside bar short, and that's what we just made that back. But I had to react quick. So up 213 on that, but that was the trade that I should have took the first time. That was a $1,000 trade in about a second, but now it's getting bought back up. So those are the little inside bar scalps that I've been doing on gold. That's what I made $10,200 in 3 days in the overnights trading those setups right there to pass that trade day account. it's absolutely been insane, like that, those setups lately. And if you go back in like history, like they don't work that good, but in the last week or two they've been working really good, so it's actually just insane. Don't go sit. I know. Well, don't you mean now, girl? Tilting tiger? I don't know. Gold is in the faint of heart. No, it's not. Where's the easy money, long or short? Yeah, so I just been taking it both ways, but I've been looking for just scalps, just 1-to-1s on that, on the inside bars. So like, where's the? I don't even know how to use the measuring tools on here. Let me just do it on trade of 8. I don't know how to draw run. So basically the 1-to-1s. You can see here, almost exactly a 1-to-1 on that one. If you took that, the middle one, then you would have got it easily too. But that's all I've been looking for, just the 1-to-1 off those candles. And I was trading mostly micros. Let's wait for another one. Hit shift, hold it. All right, thanks. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Cool. All right, getting a little bounce here. Put it in a harami. Maybe a trigger long for gold on that harami. What time we got? 8:38. Is that a Shutter Island not house in the thumbnail? Yeah, I know, risky for a tick. That is, I'm actually gonna change it. Yeah, I don't love it, but someone took that photo of me when I was at a wedding over the summer. I was sitting there just staring out into the abyss. So I was actually gonna make one today, but then I decided to get tilted on the trade day account. Oh, thanks, Mark. Appreciate that. It's hard to go long with gold. It's tricky. Yeah, I mean, it's all-time highs, right? So it's the same as like we talk about with NASDAQ being at all-time highs. Is like you want to go long because it's all-time highs, but then, you know, part of you thinks, well, maybe I can catch the top all-time highs. It's gonna, you know, come crashing down. NASDAQ looking like a short here. I'm gonna try a short here on NASDAQ off the outside bar. Might actually hopefully we don't just play around in the bottom of this range. Love for it to stay under 24,800. That would be nice. I got in a little bit of better position on the trade day account. Ended up closing it out already. Up 421 on the trade day. I'm crawling back. $536 in drawdown now. Crawling back. Scalping my way out. What's up, Red? Buy the dip, that's the way. It seems to be, yeah. Sand dip. There we go. New session lows here. Closing it out for a 1-to-1 off that outside bar. So this is an outside bar that I like to trade. Very powerful candle. Outside bars tend to be. Tends to be like a reversal candle. So I didn't really measure it to 1-to-1, but yeah, it's pretty close. I just vibe it. I just vibe it. I don't really measure it. It just kind of looked like eye it and then say, yeah, looks like 1-to-1. Funding ticks, people like them. People like funding ticks. I had 6 accounts with them, Leaking Blob, 6 evals back when they had a pretty nice sale, and they have a great dashboard. I can tell you that. Their dashboard's great. Yes, people seem to be liking them. The outside bar, yeah. So basically, it's kind of like it's the opposite of the inside bar, right? Inside bar is this yellow one, so it's inside the previous candle. This is on a 5-minute chart too. And the outside bar, basically, it sweeps up or below. It doesn't really matter which way, and then closes on one side of that previous candle. So in this case, it swept up above this 5-minute candle, came back down and closed, puts in an outside bar. And basically all I do is I just go short on the break, stop goes above, and then I just basically target a 1-to-1 if I'm scalping, something like that. But you can always look left to go. You can always look left and look for other targets, right? But in this market, this actually looked like a really good short because, you know, we kind of had this trend line going as well. You can kind of see the trend line, and then we kind of broke that structure, right? And it put in that outside bar. So we actually this market could roll over. I personally am just feeling really scalpy because I'm trying to get back $100 in drawdown in this account. So yo, Solo Trader, what is up? Yeah, I know. I have a Tron crypto wallet now, Lambo. I hear you. Yeah, I got a code with him. Yep, it's Pine. Gary. Yeah, no problem, Evan. Yeah, anytime. Yeah, any questions you guys got? It's perfectly fine. I do have strategy videos as well. Legion, what is up? Trader Anuj, how to trade the inside bar? Yeah, same way. I just look for the breaks and then the stop goes on the opposite side. Welcome from Jamaica. Let's go. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I appreciate it. Smash the like button too if you guys are just hanging out. What's the payout process with funding ticks? To be honest with you, I don't really know. That is something I'm going to be working on over the weekend. Leaking Blob is on my website. I'm going to have a payout section. So that way we can... It's just so many accounts that I have to keep track of that I forget. But let me see. Mm-hmm. 90% profit split. I think it's a 5-day payout process. 5 days trading. Let's see. So the zero accounts is 90-10 split every 4 days. Reward caps $1,000 for 25K, 2,000 to 2,500 on the 50Ks, 2,500 to 3,000 on the 100Ks. The target is 1,500 on 25, 3,000 for 50. And that's for the zero accounts. Pro Plus accounts are a little different. You can draw up to 60% of your profits, max 5,000 per account every 5 trading days. That's a Pro Plus. $83% off Mosh, but that ends today. Mosh. Buellanox. So that ends today. Micronesian, yeah. Trading that Asia again, I know. Hey, Biblical, what's up, man? Good to see you. How's it going? Dude, I've been crushing the gold inside bars on gold. When I trade them. If I'm not just smashing buttons. Survey has been so trashy lately, lagging and bugging. I know, Theo. So I had big problems with that too. With Trade of 8 to all day. Hey, thank you, Mark. Appreciate you hanging out. Yeah, I'm here every single night, 6 p.m. Except Friday nights, right? Oh, what am I trading? So this is NASDAQ, Legion. This is NASDAQ, and I'm trading gold. So this is NQ futures and GC for gold, which is the futures. Scared of gold? I know, yeah, it's been crazy. You got a lucid payout in like 4 minutes? Let's go. Yeah, crypto? Yeah, I don't understand it either. Lambo. Prop firm will refund the cost fee. Oh, let's see. If the prop only uses rise for payouts, make sure you. Oh, you're having an issue with rise too? Yeah, I don't know. I'm already signed up for rise, so I've had rise for so long. But yeah, I've heard there's been some issues. Yeah, I don't know anything about crypto, but yeah, I mean I have a crypto wallet because like Lambo said, that's how I get paid through funding ticks, is through Tron coin. Then for my affiliates, it's not like that for the trader. They have that, but for affiliates, we get paid in crypto. I'm not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. I don't really make that much on funding ticks anyway. But, you know, money's money. NQ. Alright, so we smoked an account. I want to be fully transparent here. We smoked an account earlier on stream. I was feeling a little tilty from this afternoon session. But we currently made 465 back on this one, and we made 421 back on the Trade Day Affiliate Cup, which I am tied for first, but I won't be in first today. Getting trolled on Twitter a little bit. 0 day. He's like, you blew that funded account already? So I gotta troll him back a little bit. Are we still trying to short gold? No, not. Should have, but no. Kind of like this hop back in this NASDAQ short. Let's short NASDAQ. It happened really quick, guys. Sorry. I was in 6. I flattened out on. I added 3 on the push, and then made like $100 on that, just with the micros. It happened really quick. Yeah, 63 plus 33 on that trade. Basically an inside bar short. You see it here, clearer on the chart, on the Trade-Evate chart. It's because they were the first. Red. They're good. They're good. I just don't. I think My Funded Futures is right now just really good. What happened with Rise? I don't know. I guess some people, like some states or something, they're not allowing it, or I don't really know for sure. And some prop firms, they only pay out in Rise. Should have held on to this short here. This is looking nice. Nasdaq looking dumpy. What's gold doing? Is gold finally coming down? Not really. Just teasing. 30 points from the high though. Absolutely insane. I talked about this before. I mean, I used to when I was trading gold, like if I could get a point or two, I was just like, oof. I'm like, that's a good trade, you know? Get a point or two on gold. Now it's like 10-point moves. It's insane. You know, 10 points with one mini is $1,000 in gold, so way over leveraged. Use code green. Yeah. Short from 76. Let's go. Nice trade. Few Yang, you got pissed. Oh, what are you talking about? Oh, the KYC stuff. Yeah, they're gonna have to get that stuff straightened out. I mean, I don't know. Just absolutely insane. The Rise stuff. The props, anytime there's been an issue with something like that, the props do adjust and they do come up with other ways to get paid out. So I've seen this in the past with something else. Can't remember exactly what it was, but hopefully they get that straightened out, because that's bull. Let's go, top dog. Yeah, guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are just rocketing down. Oh, I didn't know that, guys, did you know this? So, if you go to privacy, right, you can go to streamer mode. Right, streamer mode, right, and make all your things. You can't see it on the mobile side, but right, and then you go over here, and then you can go you can change the color. You can change the color, like, of your balance, and look, turns red or green. So when you see streamers or these guys trying to sell you something, you can just change it back to green and red. How about that? I did not know that until Zero Day actually said it. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So you can just change it whatever color you want. You can change it purple if you want. Change it purple if you want. Isn't that nuts? Alright, enough fun. We'll go back to the chart here. Oh, I gotta bring it. I don't need to hide nothing. I don't care. I got nothing to sell you, so I just appreciate you guys hanging out. Project Gaslight? I know, isn't that nuts? Instant Pro 26. Uh-oh. Aqua Futures $26 account. You kidding me? That's beware. That doesn't sound good. You did a Tory trend line on that short. Worked out beautifully, didn't it? Beautiful. Just realized you were watching me an hour behind. That's funny. Yo, Wesley, what is up? Now it's like neon green. I gotta change that though. It's driving me nuts. Let's see if I get it back down to dull. There we go. Maybe something like that. So Wesley, I don't know if you just heard, but yeah, I was talking about how you can block out all this on Project X on top. And so some of the Furus probably. You can block all this out and you can change the color of your P&L. So you can change it. You can go from red to green. You can make it purple, whatever, but red to green is one thing. Yeah, kind of crazy. So I can take this account here that we're red on, and we can just, you know, be the Furu and do this. Get rid of that and go turn this green, and boom, we had a green day today. Isn't that nuts? I just learned that. Anyways, I was just having fun. Damn Furus. That's completely absurd. I know, because you see you see a few of them. Just, I'm not gonna name names, but you see a few of them kicking around that, you know, never show red type deal, and yeah, and then always have this blocked out. MB, so trade day, yeah. So if you go to trade day, they do have end of day accounts. Are they cheap? No, not really cheap, but they're very comparable to, say, Take Profit Trader with their end of day accounts, which is pretty sweet. So I'll show you real quick. Kind of waiting on another setup here. So here it is. It is trade day. They have 3 options: intraday, end of day, and static. I just lost my light. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Back. You guys see me? All right. Yeah, sorry. That was distracting. I accidentally pulled out the cord. Luckily, nothing else shut off. I have a chair pushed underneath this desk, the standing desk, and I was, kicking it around. Anyways, yeah, trade day has 3 different options: intraday, end of day, and static. So the static account's 105 for the 50K, but you don't get much drawdown, right? You only get $500, but it doesn't trail. And then the end of day is 115 currently. But yeah, if you're interested in that, then Pine with a capital P. But yeah, you can get day 1 payouts once funded, which is sweet. But the evaluation is 5 days traded, and you have to stay under 30% consistency. So the evaluations are a little bit tougher to pass, right? I think Take Profit Trader is a little bit easier to pass in a way, just because it's 50% drawdown, 50% consistency, which makes it a little bit easier. But yeah. Which is the best? I do dig. So I do like the end of day accounts for trade day, and I still like Take Profit Trader because I can usually pass them in like 2 days and then flip on the 3rd and 4th and the 5th, right? But yeah. Thank you, Wesley. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're almost at 4,000 subs. I appreciate it. Yeah, I just unplugged everything. 4K subs, let's go. So awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Wow. Just like that, 4K. Check it out, guys. 4K subs. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See the moose hat? The moose hat. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks, Sean, TJP, all you guys, Mo, George, J Styles, Adrian. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's funny. Any Texas traders here? I'm probably quite a bit. Tudor. I'm sure there's a lot of Texas people. Let's go. D. Lorenzo. Rolling in the benzo. Thank you so much for the sub. I mean the sub. The tip. $2. Thank you so much. Should do a moose race. I don't have any accounts to give away. I know. I will have some on Sunday night though. I will have an account to give away on Sunday night. I know, I gotta try to keep up with gold now. So this is the challenge. Wesley and I, with our sub counts, we're trying to keep up with gold. And gold so far is surpassing us. So gold's at 4,366. So we're trying to keep up. I don't know if I can. Hey, Wes, thank you so much. If you guys haven't checked out Wes, he comes on just after me, so I appreciate that. Let's go. Thank you so much, Wes. You're awesome. Even Red Candle's got a membership. Let's go. Gold trying to pull back. Graveyard Trades, what is going on? Guys, smash that like button. That's the only reason why, is your guys' support. Hitting that like button every time helps push out my stream to the YouTube algorithms, and that's the reason why the channel is growing very quickly. So I really appreciate that. Yeah, Wes is a real one. Yeah, not a furu like we're talking about. Not, you know, saying he only has green days and only shows green trades and shows his entries when he's trading. So yeah, real one. What's the inside bar strat? I'll talk about it real quick. I have some videos on it if you want to check it out, but real quick. Basically, it's very simple. 5-minute chart, take the break of the inside bar. Oh, that's gold, but gold, fine. Take the break of the inside bar. Stop goes above. And then I generally, of a rule of thumb, I just look for a 1-to-1. But that's a little discretionary. But I generally try to target 1-to-1. And it's just a scalp. It's just a scalp trade. So cool, guys. I really didn't think I didn't know if I'd ever get over 1,000 subscribers. Now we're gaining 20-25 subs a day, which is pretty amazing. So couldn't be happier. We got almost 200 people watching. We got 80 likes. Let's get it over 100. Appreciate that. But yeah, just amazing. So far we are crawling back from $100 of drawdown left in this trade day affiliate or influencer cup. We have $536 in drawdown now, so this is gonna be like the Rocky movie, right? See if we can get back. Biblical, thank you so much. Let's go. Let's give it up for Biblical. Let's give it up for D. Lorenzo, Wesley. So much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, biblical is the real one. Let's go, B. What's up? Let's go. Thanks, guys. You guys don't have to do that. You guys are amazing. Yeah, biblical is a great trader. Thank you, biblical. Thanks, B. Another inside bar on gold. That is true. That is an inside bar on gold. So yeah, guys, if you haven't joined the Discord either, we got the Discord. It's free. That's growing too. I'll post it in the chat real quick. This is the Discord. Yeah, for sure. We'll have to do that sometime. I'll have to try to figure that out again. Do that collab stuff. Hang on, I do Brian Stonk also, but I don't like the time of day to trade. Oh yeah, for sure, in the afternoon. Oh, it's all random, happy kids. Yeah, it's all random. Yeah, the gifting memberships, it's all random. Yeah. When you buy memberships, it's all. All right, market's starting to slow down a bit. 2 inside bars on gold. Check out NASDAQ. NASDAQ, it's a pretty bullish reaction there off 723. Oh yeah, I can't kick this chair. I'm gonna knock out everything again. I gotta fix that. I have a surge protector thing that's mounted to the bottom of my desk, and I kicked the chair the other day and I knocked it off, and then I forgot and I haven't fixed it. I have it screwed on, and if I go on and try to fix it now, you know it's gonna knock out everything. Hey, what's up, Confluence Trader? What is going on? ES entry to buy 66.48, destination 66.97. Let's go. There's a bunch of foul language and streamers. Sorry, it's just me. Yeah, it's all good. I try to keep it pretty clean. I mean, occasionally I'll swear or something, but I mean, I try to keep it fairly clean. We joke around sometimes, but all right, we're gonna push back up as it headed back towards the VWAP here, 765s. Check out that gold. The inside bar is consolidating here. Oh, gifted yourself? Let's go, Wesley. That's awesome. I just noticed that. Yeah, it's completely random. Yeah, that happens. I've actually had that happen to me before too. I was gifting and got my own or got someone's my own gift basically. All right, I'm gonna switch to micros here. I'm gonna try it. Come on, get up there. I'm gonna try a gold long with 2 micros. It's really slowed down a bit, so I'm not super confident in it. But it's trying to break out of these 2 inside bars here, so maybe we get a little break to the upside. And I mean, why not go long in gold, right? The overall trend is bullish, obviously. Hey, Gene, yeah, trade slinging around a Bulenox. Yeah, cheap eval, you know. But yeah, I've gotten my fair share of Bulenox payouts. I haven't traded with Bulenox too long. I had a big, I don't know. They was just like my kryptonite. I just could not seem to get them going. But I started getting some payouts with them back in May, and had pretty good months. June was great. August was pretty good, and then I got another payout in 9th. Haven't gotten a payout in a hot minute with them, but yeah, not too bad with the old Bulenox. It's not my main focus, but woke up drunk, Max? Oh no. You can honestly say you never sworn or used cursing words. That's good, Flambeau. Yeah, for sure. Genius? Is it Genius? Is that how you pronounce your name? Or Janius? Genius, I guess. I certainly have cursed trading for sure. Certainly have yelled out. Waiting for your first payout next Wednesday? Let's go. Congratulations. So yeah, I trade Bulenox. I do sling around Bulenox. Mainly right now, I have Tradeify and Lucid is what I got going on at the moment, because I'm on timeout right now with myself for buying new accounts. So I'm working on those ones at the moment. I had a really bad last Friday, so put myself on a little bit of timeout. So I've just been focusing on those accounts, and it's been working out great. Building them up. Most of them are 150Ks, so you have to build them up quite a bit to get to a payout. They're all funded, but thank you, Lambo. Appreciate that. All right, trying to push up here. Yeah, it's really, gold's really slowed down at the moment. So we're in small. Long gold, short ES. I like it. Let's check out ES. I never look at ES during the Globex, but yeah, I like it. I do like the NASDAQ short as well, but we are just in the gold at the moment. But yeah, gold's been fun. I've been trading it a lot during after stream for that trade day affiliate cup, influencer cup. I think I'm the only one that calls it affiliate cup. It's the influencer cup, but so I've been trading that a lot. All right, gold trying to push higher here. Here we go. This is a nice move. Up 2 points on gold. Hold gold or sell. I'm up 1,000. Let's go. Raise your stop for gold. Watching ES. Let's go. Many hundreds of thousand ways to make money in the market. Yeah, 100%. Lambo, yeah, I 100% agree with you. When you do, so when you're trading, it's a good point, because like I was saying in one of my tweets, I said, you know, one of the toughest things is that when you're trading, the only person that I'm competing against is me. It's myself. And so, and I heard Alpine saying this the other day, so I'm repeating, but it's just like, when you're in one of these trading competitions, and now you have the added element of trading against other people, and I mean, it was good. It's good exposure. It's good. I get accounts to give away to you guys and stuff and all that. But yeah, it's tough. Gold's ripping here. Taking one off. I'm gonna lock in one. So this is something that I've been observing for the past few nights. It's just very simple. It's just the inside bars on gold. They just have been working so well in the overnights. Not so much during the day, really. I haven't really been paying attention, but during Asia, Globex, they've just been working very well. So, yeah, I don't know. Thanks, Nate. What competition is the trade day? I'll pull it up. It's just a competition right here. There's like 20 something affiliate like influencers in it. And this is me up here. But yeah. So far it's me, Kellyanne, and FOMO Trader are the only ones that are still left with funded accounts. Nutty Bar and Canadian's Futures Trader both had funded accounts, but they blew them. Or in Ike, this guy named Ike, they blew them yesterday, so we're the only ones that have funded accounts. I started off the day in the account up $500 to start. It was a brand new account, and then I ended up down with I ended the day left with $100 in drawdown. So, but we just scalped back $421 of it tonight, so I'm down, not out. So, and I did that with micros, with the gold. So we'll see. Stop got taken. Yeah, I probably should have took profit, but that's all right. If I do get stopped out for the full off this runner, then I would have lost. I think I'm gonna lose like $60 total. So we'll see. We'll see if it holds this view up. I'm gonna win like the contestant bids $1 on the design. Yeah, no design. That's what I was thinking. The competition is for trade day. Lambo. Yeah, they just asked me if I wanted to do it, and I said sure. Sometimes I do, Cam. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I trail my stop, but Bluetooth accounts today. You need $50. Oh no, I don't follow your profit. Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I'll trail my stop, depending on how heavy I'm in. If I'm in real heavy, then I'll trail my stop. Well, looks like we're gonna get stopped out on the runner, possibly. That could have been the catalyst. That was actually a nice Harami candle. Short there on gold. That could be a good catalyst. This could actually pull back more. NASDAQ could pop. Is NASDAQ and gold going to inverse each other? You know? NASDAQ still wanting to push back. pullback. Low on Nasdaq's 24,720. Currently sitting at 24,026. Looking like it wants to make a new session low. Gold, we're gonna hold the stop where it is. See what happens. Got Tokyo open in 23 minutes. All right, Twitter. Good night. Thanks for stopping in. I never asked you, Lambo. Yeah, I don't know. No idea. Wow, look at that buy up on gold. Isn't that insane? 63 to 73. Almost 10-point buy up right there. It is a 10-point buy up. Absolutely crazy. I just think it's not like, maybe some of you guys are brand new traders and then just started trading gold and think this is normal. This is not, by the way. This is not normal stuff. It could be the new norm. Where's my take profit? It was up there on the runner. It was up right around 387. For some reason the bracket's not working. Oh, that's why. Back in the money. Never short gold. Design says. Gold is insane. It has been, yeah, for sure. Extraordinary cave trader. What's going on? Back into the bounce. Let's go, Janice. What's up, Casper? Yeah, we are trading gold. I just was in two. Excuse me. I was in two micros. Took one off as we got that first push up. And then I've been holding on to this runner. Almost got stopped out on it, but now it looks like we might hit our full TP. And it's basically off the inside bar. Nasdaq looking like it wants to make new session lows here. Just trying. Patrick anticipating an influencer cup? No. No. He wouldn't do it unless they were paying him to do it. No, when you have that many subscribers and you have that much outreach, I mean, them guys, they don't do anything for free. Anytime you see a prop firm or anything on his channel, like, they're paying him probably to, sponsor his channel. It's like they don't do nothing for free when you get that big. Nice, Janice. Nice little play there. Yeah, gold's been moving. Wick just, yeah, I know. It did too. I had my stop right there, just below that inside bar. That's our entry. Above that inside bar here. And I had to stop below, just like how I usually do. And I'm looking for that pretty much a 1-to-1, which is really a massive trade. I mean, that's 12 points in gold. It's $1,200 with one mini. And we're just in one micro. But yeah, right now with gold, with micros, you can make a lot of money. We're up 619. We were in a little bit heavier earlier, but pretty much just slinging around the micros for the most part. I did blow an account earlier. But as you can see, it's green, but for some reason it blew. Because you can change it. You can change the color, which is bonkers. Start trading gold 1 micro. Yeah, so I like to scale in and out with gold with the micro sometimes. Seems to work pretty good. Because I've tough getting that laser pointer entry, you know, sometimes with the gold. So sometimes it kind of flutters around, and if you're in too heavy, that little flutter, you know, next thing you know, you're down $300 in a second. Nasdaq's not really doing anything. Sitting down at the session lows, 735. We get a low at 720. Right now it's printing in a double bottom, but it's just hanging out. Probably just gonna hang out until Tokyo opens. Mohammed, thank you so much. What's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Guys, sub if you haven't subbed yet. We just crossed 4,000 subs, so thank you so much. Seems like just the other day we crossed over 1,000, so pretty amazing. Can't imagine when I was sitting there streaming the whole New York trading session, talking to myself because no one was watching. I couldn't imagine that we would have a 4,000 subs and I'd be streaming to 200 and something people concurrently. So pretty awesome. This is like taxi cab confession music. What is going on? Well, it looks like we might hit, if we hit TP here. We'll see. See if we can pop up. Kind of run this wick here. And this is 10 points on the gold, which is crazy. See if we can get that 1-to-1. Wick Eater all day. Let's go, Trev. It's momentum of trend. There's no momentum or trend making it hard for entries. I mean, gold is something else. Yeah, gold is crazy. Nasdaq getting a little pop back to the VWAP. NASDAQ getting a little pop here. It's back to gold. Cool, 86, what is up? Al VD, what is going on? Thank you for the sub. Oh, really? You gonna do that to me? Taking it off. Now. There it is. There it is. So beautiful 1-to-1 there off the inside bar. This is what this guy trolled me. He says they do not work. Alright, so let's look at this real quick. So here's the trade. I'll show you it on Trade of 8 because it's just a little bit easier to see. So basically I went long here off this inside bar. Sorry. Long here. Stop went here. Stop went there. And then I looked for a 1-to-1. Right, so there's a 1-to-1. Took take profit. And now we go to the troll. Now we go to the troll. And we look at the troll's comment on my inside bar gold strategy and how it doesn't work, and that if you trade this strategy you're gonna blow all your accounts because it's not trading fair value gaps, liquidities, and on a 1-minute chart. So Islamic feel, that one was for you. 12 points. It's all good. I just, it's funny. I mean, it's all good. I was just joking. I don't care. I actually have fun with them. It's all good. Take that. Take that. I showed him. You know he doesn't even watch. Yeah, I mean, I can blow accounts, but it's not because of my strategy. It's because I'm just clicking buttons, like going, oh, I think it's going to go long. I think it's going to go short. And I just start smashing buttons, and that's what usually kills my accounts. But it's all good. So a little recap. So we're up 745 on that account, which is nice. We did blow a Bulenox earlier. I was full porting around the open, so blew that account here. This account, I started off, I'm up 421. I was down to $100 in drawdown. So this is a trade day funded, but it's the affiliate cup thing. Looks like we're gonna bust through those all-time highs again. So I'm grinding back. I'm trying to grind back. I don't know. I don't know if I can grind back from $100 drawdown or not, but now I have $500 in drawdown. So it's kind of like starting off with one of those static accounts. So you never know. We could actually do something with it. Yeah, you trade ICT. I know, Michael. Yeah, no, that's the thing. I don't have a problem with the ICT. It's just when people, like a lot of the ICT traders, and like I know like most of you guys are not one of them, like they only think, well, this is the only way to make money in the markets. And we all know like that's not true. That is not true. So they still say like, oh, that strategy doesn't work. Well, of course it works. Works for me, but it's just it's just some of those people that it gets a little crazy, because I'm always like, I don't care what you trade as long as you're making money and you can trade it consistently, because I think that's the key. Is like, can you trade consistently, you know, with those strats. But we all know, like, there's a million ways to skin a cat, right? And with the markets, there's a million ways to pull money out of the markets. You could trade NASDAQ, ES, YM, gold, silver, you know, righty. There's all kinds of different ways of making money. It's just, you know, that's the thing. And it's just like, as soon as you get into a trade, it's like, well, now, are you sticking with your rules? Are you know, you going with this, you following your stop losses, and are you clicking buttons or whatever, you know? And that's the thing, yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of those. But yeah, I mean, so many of my trading buddies are, you know, trade ICT and stuff, and I think it's great. It works for them. It just didn't work for me. The algo is the algo. That's right. Congratulations on the 100 point dump on ES. That is crazy good. 100 points on ES is nuts. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, no, that's why I mean, yeah, 100%. Why are people skinning so many cats? I know. Wow, did we make an equal high there? We did. No, yeah, 91.9 and then yanked. That's funny. Right before the Tokyo Open, about 6 minutes. Yeah, 391 and 90 cents. The high is, all-time high is 392, and it is rug pulling the people that tried to buy the breakout up here. The unicorn setup, yeah, that's what Ash on My Fun Futures trades. Unicorn setup. I make fun of him too, so you know, but it's all in good fun, right? I say Ash in your My Little Pony setup or whatever you do, you know, but it's all fun. It's all tongue in cheek. Like, that dude is a savage. He's a live trader with My Fun Futures, and he's getting tons of payouts. I don't know if anyone, shout out Ash Trades, like, you know, the dude's killing it. But yeah, it's a unicorn setup's a setup that you don't trade all the time, right, Michael? It's very selective, right? From what I understand. Yeah, gold just rug pulled at all-time highs again. The unicorn setup definitely works for him too. Who got that on gold? Yeah. Does Tradeify do resets on funded accounts, Jamie? No, I don't believe they do on funded accounts. Solo trades, you just like to see how someone else's trade? Yeah. It's always interesting. I honestly think, like, my trading style is pretty, like, one of the simpler ones as far as streamers go, like, and I'm not the best trader out there. I mean some of these guys are getting, you know, someone like Alpine or something, you know, he's getting 300,000-400,000 in payouts. Nutty Bar, very good trader. There's a lot of good traders. Brian Stonk, you know, there's good traders, but half the time I don't understand. Nutty's his strat is pretty simple, but a lot of the stuff I don't understand because I don't trade ICT, and there's a lot of ICT streamers, so I don't know what they're doing, but I'll watch them anyway. It's interesting, like, sometimes I'll take a trade, I'll be in the same trade, or even you guys, you might be in the same trade. We might be both long gold, and I'm long off the inside bar, and you guys are long off IFVG or whatever, and it's just still a same long, you know. That's always interesting to me. It's kind of funny. Like, I watch Myth a lot, and then Myth will be long on NASDAQ, and I'll be long on NASDAQ, and we're looking at something totally different, or whatever, you know. Single prints, yeah. I see those claiming the best, yeah. You've been trading long. Island Time, what's up? You got some experience under your belt. I like it. I've had nothing works all the time. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, is like, I have people like you guys have been trading way longer than me, and just, some of you guys are savages. I got guys like Biblical that are probably being more profitable than me, taking my strategy and kind of like doing their own thing with it. And it's not even my strategy, it's just a strategy that I don't even want to say made popular on YouTube, because there's those other guys trading it too, but like inside bars and things like that. But I mean, it's not a new concept, it's just something that I trade. So when they see Pine Tree Trader, they just say, well, that's the guy that trades inside bars and haramis and outside bars. But yeah, I mean, some people in our own community are getting more payouts than I am, because it's, at the end of the day, it becomes more psychological whether or not you're sticking to your strategy or whatever. I don't know, I was just ranting there, but oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Orlando. Yeah, so there was some trade evade glitches. It's really unfortunate. I think the My Funded Futures. Are you trading with My Funded Futures, Orlando? My Funded Futures. The core account with the added flex plan. You can withdraw up to $3,000. You can only have to trade 5 days of $100 or more. And I think you can get one of those accounts for about $72 all in, no added costs, if you use code PINE. I think it's a really good deal. You can withdraw up to 50% of your profits, so a max of $3,000. So if you make $6,000 in 5 days, then you can withdraw $3,000. So it's pretty good. Inside bars, outside bars, that's right. You look at 15-minute fair value gaps? Yeah, nice. Yeah, so I had a bunch of glitches with this trade day account, but what am I going to do? I mean, the reality is I went on tilt at the end of the day, but I mean, Tokyo Open, guys. Yeah, the core accounts. Yeah, so the core accounts right now, guys, My Funded Futures, I think those are really sweet. I think they're, to be honest, I think they're superior to Top Step at the moment, until Top Step makes some changes. So they are like 72, 73 bucks, I believe, all in. And like I said, it's same payout rules as Top Step, except it's 5 days of $100 or more, which is $50 less per day than Top Step, and it's way cheaper. Top Step's gonna cost you, even with their 25% off, it's still gonna cost you like $170, something like that, with the activation fee. So oh, okay, Orlando. Well, maybe it'll work out. Who knows, you know? Few Yang, yeah, thank you. Yeah. 2000 end of day drawdown, yep. End of day drawdown. 50% consistency on the eval, so you can pass it in 2 days. And they do have some leeway too. My Funded Futures has some leeway on their consistency, so if you can you know, if you're over a little bit, there's a little leeway on that 50% consistency, so you can really pass them in 2 days if you hit it. I would think, Coach Fred, I think that day is coming, don't you? I think we have a, I don't know, I feel like there's gonna be a cliff. I mean, we'll just look at one more time before I head off, guys. But yeah, I mean, look at this gold. This is just amazing. The gold daily, I just can't get over it. The daily chart. Talk about single prints on the daily. When will it stop? 5,000? 10,000? Is this the new Bitcoin? Is it going to 100,000 gold? I mean, what is it doing? Let's go, Orlando. Use code PINE, Orlando. I appreciate it. If you do, guys, check out my website. It's pinned to the top of the chat. If you want to check out my website, propcodeshub.com. I'm gonna try to make some more improvements over the weekend. I also want to thank D. Lorenzo for the $2 tip, Wesley Emeraldgate for the gifted memberships, Biblical for the tip as well, $10, and at B also for the $10 tip. So thank you so much, guys. 4,000 subs, can't believe it. I'll be back Sunday night for sure. And please use code PINE across all the prop firms that help support the channel. And I'll see you guys Sunday night. I'm gonna this is like my Friday night from stream, so I'm gonna go eat some Chinese food actually. So stay tuned for the end scene. Take care, everyone. Follow me on X, Pine Tree Trader, and follow me on the affiliate cup. Let's see if I can bring that account from death. I have $100. I started with $100 in drawdown, so left. So see if we can bring it back. You know they're all counting me out. So anyway, guys, take it easy. I appreciate it. Stay safe tomorrow. I'll see you guys Sunday night. Peace.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, 8 picks, take profit, Tradify.